Should I give it up for her? All right, so shout out to Chica Dibia. So Chica Dibia sent in her name for today's Igbo name of the day and just wanted me to give the translation for it and tell everybody about her name, right? So Chi in this context means God. Ka means better than, or I guess stronger than, more powerful than, mightier than. And Dibia. A Dibia is like, how do I describe Dibia? Dibia is kind of like an herbalist, right? I think that's like the closest English translation for it. But Dibia really just means a native doctor, right? So it's like an herbalist, but they can also, it's almost kind of like a spiritual guide, someone who can, I guess, the best way to say it is they're almost